DJ Social Restaurant asida Indian, Chinese, Korean amadi Thai cuisines ki hawarba items sing ahongba mamalda fangbigani. And also booking available for birthday party, workshop and seminar with projector screen and full concert sound setup facility. Loina na catering services ki khudong chaba su pizari. Lingshin biro ungasima. Rims Road, Nagamapal, Soram Lekai near Nityananda Prabhu. DJ Social Restaurant.
This program is co-powered by DJ Social Rims Road and R & Sons Enterprises, Wildcraft, Wankai.
Hi, this is Strella in yet another episode of Mami Mapao. Impact TV gi Mami Mapao mityang tabiri bapum na magpu taram no cheri. Ngasi asi Mami Mapao gi ahum suba episode ni. Episode ahum khakta ngai riba Mami Mapao asi puthok pada aran ahui apen pen da kaya lay basu miyam pum na magnangak pigani. Mami Mapao asi miyam na hena pam na ba thoram ama o hena bagi damakta kano hona jage. We are trying our best to put up the show up to your expectations. So dear viewers, keep watching Mami Mapao. Let's now see. Ngasi karam ba Mapao na Mami Mapao gi lecture na same liba sida yauri bagi habadu midyang taminasi. Mega Mr. Northeast 2017 and Mega Miss Northeast 2017 gi audition na ahan ba Mapao na thamjari. All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association na sinba Future Actor 2017 gi paudam. 2 upcoming films mau mga mangkre amadi Thawai Mi gi makings. Aduga singing sensational John Oinamga Mami Mapao ga una bagi thoram na aroy boy na thamjari. Fashion and glamour gi trend nama Manipur da su kanna changsilagli. Soibam kanchanchan na Femina Miss India da Manipur gi mahut sindu na sarup yabang ngamlakpa asimak achauba khudamaman. So viewers, ahan boy na logbisi. How kiba June 4 da Imphal da pangto kiba Mega Mr. and Mega Miss Northeast 2017 gi audition gi Mapao.
Cancelled Mega Miss Northeast 2017 15th edition and Very Lovely Mega Mr. Northeast 2017 8th edition.
RoyaltyFreeMusic.audio.
Manipur da yamna kanna fashion gi iho ama handak chahi khara asida uba phanglakli. Manipur da gi masak nairabi model kaya leptana puthokpa ngamlakli. Kumsi chahi da ahan bu oina soibam kanchana Femina Miss India Beauty Pageant da saru yariba asimak mayek larab khudam.
Glamour world se da akoi na si platform pi banai ni Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast adi sigi Mega Miss Northeast ki winners hai masana she got direct entry into the Lakme Fashion Week in Mumbai by trains. Potential le raga exposure ngam daba youth sing sina sina yamna kana ba pi mapai upgrade to hon but just it helps in their career also.
2010 daina Miss Northeast ki title lo ruba matung dage adu mega entertainment improvement changes aduga huzi Manipur da Northeast area da koi fashion gi keno sida mayam youth sing sida power enthusiasm yam nungai yeng bada du moina anova try toning maduga this is a stepping stone for all the youth haitare kon noina like any higher kanoma lam ko matam this is the first platform that everyone needs to start youth sing sida so haizeningi sugumba platform sida mayam si yobiru aduga like let's support mega entertainment and fashion geek platform say like for in support of our culture, traditions, and also for all the religions that join hands together to support Miss Mega Entertainment.
Mega Entertainment leptana sinduna lakpa Mega Mr. Northeast 2017 amadi Mega Miss Northeast 2017 gi audition Manipur gi oina Hotel Baigo Imphal da haukiba June gi mari da pangthokre.
Very exciting and a field where you learn a lot of things in this journey. And I would like to say that I encourage all the participants here to also give their best performance here, to live their dreams, to become a model, successful person, as in heart, as in soul. Meeting new people gives you a new experience, how to interact, how to socialize, gives you a chance. This is a huge platform which gives you a big opportunity to highlight yourself as a model. So I would encourage all the participants to give their best performance here.
Royalty-free-music.audio.
Manipurdagi nupa ahum amasung nupi ahum khangat ka dauriba audition aduda punna nupa contestant nipan amasung nupi contestant nipan na saruk yaki.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯤꯄꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯎꯕꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯣꯟꯐꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯇꯤ ꯄꯦꯖꯦꯟꯠꯀꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯄꯦꯁꯟꯁ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯀꯣꯟꯐꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯋꯥꯠꯄꯤꯒꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯌꯣ
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯁ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯨꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯀꯣꯟꯐꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯨꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯅꯣꯔꯠ ꯏꯁꯀꯤ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗꯁꯨ ꯔꯦꯝ ꯁꯣꯁ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗꯁꯨ ꯔꯦꯝ ꯁꯣꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯠꯐꯣꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
Royalty-free-music.audio.
ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯂꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯂꯤꯡ ꯇꯪꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕꯕꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯖꯜꯂꯣꯏꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯤꯔꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯦꯔꯥ ꯋꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯤꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯝꯗꯣ ꯐꯪꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯊꯤꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯚꯤꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯗꯕꯅꯤ
ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒ ꯀꯝꯄꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜ ꯑꯃ upcoming model ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯟꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯩ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯔꯤ and wish you all the best.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ 2017ꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯗꯦꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯗꯁꯨ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯟꯇꯦꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯇꯪ ꯄꯤꯖꯒꯦ.
Nipan Suba Mega Mr. Northeast 2017 amadi Tara Manga Suba Mega Miss Northeast 2017 ki Grand Finale mathang sitna June Kunmari amadi June Kumanga da Guwahati ki March Khoa da leiba ITA Complex ta pangthokadabani. Awang Nopok Lamdam gi oina maming leiraba pageant asida Soma Laisham Gumbi yauna Manipur gi mahut sinduna saru yakiba model kayana mai pakpa purakpa ngamkhre. Handaki Mega Mr. Northeast 2017 amadi Mega Miss Northeast 2017 desu Manipur gi mahut sinduna saru yagadoriba model singna suksoi soidana mai pakpa purakpa ngamgani haibagi thazaba thamli.
Mami Mapao team wish all the selected candidates best of luck and bring back the titles. Matang asidi acting gi talent leiba film bu pamjaba singbu inot happy ba oina All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association na 2nd June da MSFDS ta pangthokiba Future Actor 2017 gi paudamam.
Nangatribo, ay nga sa'y nang ningayuse. Paisado pudadine ay si sat payaroy ba? Hangita na, kaya urag habadi ay nahabadi nang kaya urag haiba.
All Manipur Filmmakers and Producers Association Amfimpana Sinba Ahum Suba Future Actor 2017 gi Grand Finale Haukiba Jun Anida Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS ta pangthokre.
Nungaibra Fajana wari sanjay jadabuda keleba jikti ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡꯗꯣ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤ ꯍꯥꯠꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ ꯅꯪ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯅꯪ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯃꯣ
Kana lagsadraba ima adubo asam siyan ki batara bro.
Acting bu pamjaba film da khongdaningba haugatlagli naharol singbu masak khangdoktuna semgatpibagi wakhalon da pangthokiba Future Actor 2017 ni changdamnaba asida punna nupa nupi nipu henbana saruk yakhi aduga preliminary round dagi nupa taraga mathoi nupi taraga mathoi khangatlaga grand finale da changdamna hanki
Aikoina lakhaning bajoli le weekly test monthly test no mite oire ne aikoina di bogi le leirang saath le basant le kulda thamaye marta leirang
Dialogue, acting, rhythm of music na chingbada magi haithoi singthoi ba adu yenglaga nupa mari nupi mari amuk khangatki
Why ang guess na acting tamni ya phao ba tamil gi acting tamni ngadine khambra bonem da chatlo ai di ma pam jaye
hakthi khanne mo ko ai na mang kai ko chi hakthi ka mang ji wal aduga ai put na pule me yo ai put na pe yo
Hidden talent amadi wahangi paukumda yengnaraga athoi hen khanki Future Actor 2017 da nupa nupi gi punna subtitles tara lanthokhi
Manipur yamna pikpa phurup kaya amna laitaba aigi imalebak Manipur ni aduga masida dharma khenaba jati khenaba kaya amani amaga amana ngangba mana tade amana ngangba mana tade karigumba ina film gi artist mo ergadi mayam se matau karamna nungsinhan gani habse ina film de act tawga utkane
masak phajaraga su acting haitragadi flop chatle director ware producer kappe aduna ai samak su sak thizaraga su oi film pa mena chongthorei si aduna aina khanjabadi acting sina khwaidagi maru oye haina lojai
Future Actor 2070 male da Soibam Devling
Future Actor 2017 male gi mingthon Soibam Devling na lauki aduga Future Actor 2017 female gi mingthon na Hidam Minakshi na lauki
Hidam Minakshi
Royalty-free-music.audio
Well, Manipuri film industry needs versatile and talented budding actors like you. All the best to the winners. Dear viewers, will now take a short break and be right back.
The journey of Manipuri films started with a bang in 1972, and there is no turning back. Impact TV is bringing a carnival of Manipur cinemas, features, non-features, short films and documentaries, including national and international award winners from the famed directors of the soil. Exclusive on Saturdays and Sundays on Impact Entertainment Channel. Tabum Sima, powered by Classic Group of Hotels, coming soon.
DJ Social Restaurant asida Indian, Chinese, Korean amadi Thai cuisines ki hauraba items sing ahongba mamalda fangbigani. And also booking available for birthday party, workshop and seminar with projector screen and full concert sound setup facility. Loina na catering services ki khudong chaba su pizari. Lengshin biro ungasima. Rims Road, Nagamapal, Soram Lekai, near Nityananda Prabhu. DJ Social Restaurant.
Welcome back to Mami Mapao. Break matungda Mami Mapao mityang tabiri ba pumlamakpu amuka hanna taramnok cheri. Mau mga mangkre. Yes, Mau mga mangkre. Well, that is the name of the film, slated to be released on the 20th of June. Kema mais nam na puthokpa papina lamjing lamtakpa Eastern Digital Entertainment gi ani suba khudok Mau mga mangkre gi making.
Tha janang je tha da tha ma le.
Kari, adum maram sa da bawada tingon mata mangan gano. Nongdamba, ay nongdamba ne.
Eastern Digital Entertainment ki film Mau mga mangkre na mington film ama zun gitang kun leipak ku kunamit kin medang waram pung taruk taba matamda usa cinema hall that release taw na same sabak na magboy kre.
Ay je ay no pas da pam da la kin hay ba. Nang di ka do bagi pam da lu ba.
Nate nangbo adugi ni padu da kamai lai rurino.
Film mas Manipur housing mau kaya na mapuroy lain na atop na baga mari thambadagi society asida pirak amang ba kaya du utliba film manai mau singa salai da bali chajat kya chat mo madam oiraga makoi pumsin awa phum ta ki bagi wari ne mau manga mangkre hari ba film masi matam masagi mau singa kanar ba pokta kaya pigani habge thaza ba thamle ba film masi edi yeko ko mari MSS anigi story ma screenplay ne
hoi ai bu punchi sigi lunda to biga ja
tawgani hawjekti ibani gi luhongadaba matam su kuidre tana
Ay somgi ni pitam faga hinga male ni pa mi.
Kema masnam na puthok film masagi music ke thaudang Samu Salai na lauri Susil Salam na camera nam gi thaudang lauri Papi NPS na lamjing lamta kadur mau mga mangkre har film masida Ratan Lai Sadanand Maisnam Priya Kanowa ma ta thoi na sing bakana maroi mamiroi sing oi ga dauri
aina nangbo kaya gi matik luna khanjaba.
A very bold subject indeed. Kaubiganu June 20 da Usahol that released Tawgadoriba film Mau mga mangkre. yamna top film amani mahau muktang tangi. Matang asisu filmmaking amamuk thamjage. Jingkai Guru Film Production gi ahanba film Thawai Mi asi 21st June da release tawdori. Lobisi Manipuri feature film Thawai Mi gi making.
Action low. Begini, nắm dulu. Yes, semua nắm dulu. Baru dulu lagi. Nắm dulu. Ya, ya. Tuh, bikin tak tuh. Latihan mau tuan dulu jangan lupa. Action, cinggung. Tuh cinggung. Cinggung, kata cinggung.
Singkai Guru Film ki banner makada ahan mo ina Sofiana Thawai Mi hana mingthom na film mama Jun ki tang kun ma thoi yumsa kaisa numit ki numidang waram pung manga taba matam da usa holda release tong na ba same sari Roshan Khoishnam ki lamjing lamtak makada puthok ka dirba Thawai Mi hana film masagi camera nam ki thawdam pitambar na lori Khan Sanato na makeup ki thawdang lori film masagi director Roshan Khoishnam na script story screenplay ma dialogue ki thawdang su lori loinana RBN music amadi Renu Balana saisak noi gi thau panggadori
Давай подожди его. Ni ta sau lo ka ra. Wo yi dong ye ho. Ba ka ko yo. Ba ka ni sao phải lo ka.
Lalita bi Happy Rajena ma de sur mangol na chingma kya na maroi ba mamiroi sing oigadaru ba film ase ningam dana taibang pan thado kraba thawai amagi warida yumpham oidana pan kat film ni yengmin na batari kari na madam oiraga ningam daduna taibang pan thado kiba taibang pan thado kraba thawai aduna kari tawrak ba ma de karam na amuk lairam len pang kiba
Yare, capo, yare. Asa, ira bre, tinggal.
Action, tawrak tiki. Yare, asli ya.
Naglone ng buinak na amo Nanggilip labang punsisina Ay di nagtabo
Yengba kaubiganu June 21 da usahol da release tawgadawriba film Thawai Mi. Now watch. Mami Mapao catches up the sensational singer who has won thousands and thousands of hearts. The one and only John Oinam. Wait, John Oinam?
Hi everyone, this is Tenzing. You're watching Mami Mapao. Hojik akoina unazagadoriba artist asi mayamna khwaidagi pamnaba. The stage season 2 the juries amasung the viewers singi favorite, my favorite and everyone's favorite John Oinam gani. Let's hear it. John, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing really good. First of all, I would like to say hi to everyone who is watching this program. Impact TV, amasung Mami Mapao bu meeting tabiriba viewers khudingmapu John Oinam nei kongno na kharamjari.
How did music happen to you? When did you know that you're gonna be a singer?
Well, music was always a part of me when I was growing up. Not only music. In school days, I used to be a part of the drama team, the dance group and all. You know, I was into all this, activities from my school time. So I was involved with the art field. I was a child who used to, go on stage and perform something, singing. It could be dancing and all. Okay. So I remember the first performance that I gave was My Heart Will Go on a school assembly. So that was my first performance.
What are your favorite things? Like what were your favorite color, the food, and favorite songs and all? A little bit about that.
Okay, so my favorite color is black and blue. As I'm wearing blue, I mean I love the royal blue and all.
Looking great also.
Oh, thank you so much. But I don't feel the same way as you said. I know the reality. I check my face every day in front of mirror, so I know. So my favorite food is Yongchak Ironba. Yongchak Singzu, Yongchak Ironba, and all the food that we have here. Hawai char, I love Hawai char. Well, my favorite Manipuri song, my all-time favorite is Dur Tara, sung by Sir Solendro, and that's my favorite song in Manipuri. And in English, if you'll say a lot of singers.
I'd like to request John to please sing one of your favorite songs for us.
Yeng jai lona lona Yeng jai nungshi mai thong do nangi Yeng jai lona lona Yeng jai nungshi mai thong do nangi. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, that was so beautiful. How much that you have the power to engage the audience, not so much of artists has that. So where does all that come from? What do you think?
Well, I think, that was the first reality show that I did. And there was no experience, prior experience of going to any reality show, a huge show which was happening in Mumbai and all. But then the power, the boost, I'll say the kick that I get was like by the feeling that I'm representing my state. I'm representing. I'm a person from Northeast, a state called Manipur, and I'm representing the whole region. So the power, the boost, I get that from feeling itself. I have to do good. I have to make my people proud. So that was a feeling going on when I was there.
Which is your best performance in stage?
The one in which I'm singing Wherever I Go by One Republic, because in that show I realized that my head voice is like really good. I was singing both the voices, the chest voice and the head voice, so that experience was amazing, and the judges, they loved it. They gave me standing ovation.
So John, you have such a big fan following, and everyone loves you. So among the 1,000 fans that you come across, do you have any kind of experience that you want to share?
Well, first of all, I would like to say I'm so thankful to God, and I'm so thankful to all these people who are loving me, pouring their support and the kind words on social medias, on Facebook, on Instagram. I travel in auto, I'll travel in metro in Delhi. Sometimes I walk. Then I'll meet this fans, you'll call fans, right? So they'll be like, they're so sweet, they'll come up to you, they'll ask, and they'll say like, I loved your performance and all, and they'll have the selfie thing and all. So that's really sweet to experience such thing. And sometimes embarrassing experiences also. In terms like, I'm going to share one incident where there was this one lady. She was actually with her husband, I think, and when she saw me, she was like, her reaction was like "Aya," and I was like, it was so sweet from her, and then I went to her and I said, hello, how are you, and we did handshake and all. But actually the reaction from her husband was like quite embarrassing. Like, he was staring at me like, what he's doing is, why he's doing handshake with my wife, and that kind of reaction that he was giving me. That was like a little bit embarrassing, but fun.
What about the girls, the girl fans and all? They react to you, and how do you respond?
Well, the response is very, a lot of attention. I don't know why, because with such a ugly face and all, I can't understand the attention, but yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Okay, let's talk about Konjal Amma. How did that happen? What was the experience?
My dear Kaka Jiten Kumar Naurem, he called me and he said, I have this composition where we're going to mix folk music with the modern music, and plus we're going to add Western music. So I was like, wow, that's a great idea to share the platform with folk queen of Manipur, Mama Vedpati, and Jay Pushparani. She is the queen of melody. So I thought like, this is the best chance that I could get to share a platform with all these beautiful ladies, and at the same time for a really good cause, to promote our folk music, and then at the same time our culture. I was wearing, I think that was the first time that I was wearing the traditional dress, the Kakamin Chatpa Phajom. I was wearing that, and it was like amazing experience with those people.
I'm a camera mamang the talk do kamay tokige, like what was the difference between performing on stage and in the camera? Kilang haibiro.
Khonjel amagi music video duna haigidi kwai hambo dune. First time camera face to was the for a short period of time, if you're going to concentrate on the lens, camera lens, the concentrate or the nervous or ko ngao ba khot pra tawre ba ngon neng chalo bada ita jina like gyan men ta the type ta. But then and that day shoot a win with to sango idane ba to give a traditional look. Sango ida to busida shoot a win me sai ba. Then at the same time I was wearing this coat over kamen chatpa kanogi phajong gi matak coat listen maneba the sab je ta humang jana sar tapne. You will see that on my face, you'll see sweats. Some people were commenting on YouTube that saying makeup paga sakpa male, but I was trying to feel the song, but at the same time the sweat near my eyes were like working as tears. So that worked, I think.
Thank you so much for being here. I hope you had a great time. But before we wind up, would you like to say something to our viewers?
Thank you so much, first of all, for inviting me. And it's such a great show, Mami Mapao, because it's a platform where you can interact with your viewers, and it gives a chance to know about each other, in a better way. And I would like to give thanks to all the people who've been supporting me, and pouring their love out on social media and all. I know I won't be able to reply to each one of you, but I just want to give thanks to everyone who have sent me this amazing messages. Very supporting, and so I'm humbled to get all your support and all your love. Thanks from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much, John. So, Mami Mapao, we beautiful puna mapu. Tenzing dagi kaina na yathang nizari. Mathangi episode ta annoba celebrities. Kayam exciting web news kaya maga lakchage. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.
So that was Tenzing speaking to John. We love you, John. Keep entertaining us with your sweet voice. That's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Entertainment taibang dagi makal mathil gi mapao kaya puduna mari suba Friday ra muglakchage. Ngasigi oinadi matang asida kaina na bagi yathang nizari. But fans and followers, keep sending your feedbacks at www.facebook.com/mamimapao. Bye bye.
Mami Mapao was co-powered by DJ Social, Rims Road, and R & Sons Enterprises, Wildcraft, Wangkai.
DJ Social Restaurant asida Indian, Chinese, Korean amadi Thai cuisines ki haurba items sing ahongba mamalda fangbigani. And also booking available for birthday party, workshop and seminar with projector screen and full concert sound setup facility. Loina na catering services ki khudong chaba su pizari. Lengshin biro ungasima. Rims Road, Nagamapal, Soram Lekai near Nityananda Prabhu. DJ Social Restaurant.